Hello, guys. This is a small video about 3 best whiteboard animation softwares. Please subscribe for our latest videos. On number 1 position is Video Scribe. This is one of the best and simple whiteboard video maker. Without any knowledge on whiteboard animation, you can create a video in simple steps using Video Scribe. Number 2. Doodly. In this you can create multiple types of videos like whiteboard, glassboard, greenboard, etc. You can get lot of features when compared with Video Scribe. And finally number 3. Explaindio. This is also one of the best whiteboard animation video maker, but it has some complex features when compared with Video Scribe and Doodly. If you became expert on whiteboard animation, I suggest to consider this to make best animation videos. Links to these software are provided below in About Video section.